So this is a day 7 of my English journey. So today I am going to share my experience of 7 days and whatever happened in English journey. If I'm being very honest, I still need to first read my script at almost 5 to 7 times. Then I try to speak my own words and right now I need one video. I need almost 5 to 10 takes in one video. This is my condition of English, and if you can carefully watch my video, you can see many cuts of my one video because there are too much long pauses. I cut them. It doesn't mean I want to hide my mistakes. Not if I'm not cutting my pauses, my video getting too long. That's why I cut that video. Okay. Uh, so uh, and I wanted to share one thing in one of my videos. In that videos about civic sense, instead of civic sense I say civil sense. This is my mistake. I am sorry about this is my fault, and I didn't realize ever. Then someone commented me this is a wrong. I realize yes my mistakes, and thank you for that person to correcting me, and this is a huge thank you. And if you ever notice my mistakes, you can comment me, and my grammar mistake, my vocabulary mistake, and even my pronunciation mistake. I won't be angry and sad, and I want to someone comment me. So tell me I won't be sad. Please tell me I won't be feel sad and angry. This is a help for me. I want to learn and learn new things, and I want to improve my English. So tell me in the comment section if you also is struggling with in English. So I will meet you in day 8. Okay.